This brand new container house, constructed from repurposed shipping containers, offers a serene retreat at Lead, South Dakota, United States. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house is built using 3 40-foot shipping containers resting upon a robust ground floor made of concrete walls. The property features a detached shipping container sauna just off the large back deck. Adorned with high-quality furniture, the interior offers a luxurious yet comfortable stay. The open-plan living features a spacious kitchen, dining, and lounge area. The living area features a functional open kitchen that has got under-the-counter modern cabinets, stainless steel appliances, a kitchen island that also serves as a breakfast bar that can comfortably sit 4, and a wide kitchen window that lights up the sink space. Next to the kitchen is the dining area. The lounge area is designated by a floor mat furnished with comfortable sofa seats, a coffee table, a smart TV, and a wood-burning stove to keep the house warm during chillier months. Off the living area is the first bedroom. It is equipped with a comfortable double bed, a large dressing mirror, a closet, and large glass doors that offer abundance of natural light. In addition, the large glass doors open onto a private patio, a nice place to chill and relax. The first bathroom is an epitome of luxury. It features a large vanity, a toilet, and a separate shower area. Descending to the ground floor, the monochromatic theme continues, punctuated by an impressive ventilation system that ensures the fresh outdoor air is as much part of the home as its physical structure. The exposed air conditioning ductwork helps to celebrate the industrial language of the design. The spacious second living area features a cozy couch, a large floor rug, and a smart TV for entertainment. From the living area is the second bedroom, featuring a king-size bed, beautiful bedside lamps, storage cabinets, and glass windows for ventilation. The third bedroom is equally big and well furnished with a double bed. The second bathroom features a vanity, a toilet, and a shower cubicle. The color palette for the house interior is bright and white, making the spaces look bigger and brighter. The rear of the house features a cleverly raised roof that promotes efficient air circulation within and also acts as a guardian against the snow, preventing accumulation during the frosty winter months. This beautiful house is listed as an Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. Which part of this amazing house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.